Hi everyone! Welcome to a brand new episode. This is Chef Liza, your kitchen queen. Well, this episode is very special to me kasi June is my birthday month. So, syempre, hindi mawawala yung meron akong birthday episode. And for this one, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite pasta dishes. Very memorable tong dish na to. It's called the Chorizo Garlic Linguine Pasta made by yours truly. And like I said, ang gulo na sinabi ko. Now, let's get started. First, we need linguine pasta, chorizo pamplona, garlic, Parmesan cheese or Parmigiano Reggiano if you want to be fancy, parsley, salt, lemon, extra virgin olive oil because this is going to be our base, and then the lemon zest we're going to use while cooking. I'm going to introduce you a new tool. It's called a microplane. This is one of my favorite tools pagdating sa cooking kasi you can grate with it, and this is such a great tool to use for grating cheese, chocolates, nuts, and even the zest of the lemon. So mamaya ituturo ko kung paano ito gagawin. So the first step in cooking our chorizo and garlic pasta is, of course, to cook our pasta. So in a pot of boiling water, I put salt. Isa sa mga natutunan ko in cooking school and also where I train as a chef is to salt the water enough na maglalasa na siya doon sa pasta. And siguro mag-gauge na siya, it should be as salty as the ocean. Yun ang gauge natin. Now it's boiling, we place our linguine. Cook the pasta until al dente. What is al dente? It means in Italian, to the tooth. Meaning, kailangan pag niluto natin yung pasta natin, it still has a bite. Hindi siya pwedeng maging soggy kasi hindi nagmimix ng maayos yung sauce natin dun sa pasta pag soggy na yung pasta. While our pasta is boiling, we're now ready to prep our ingredients. Of course, first, the chorizo. Slice it and then make a brunoise out of it. A brunoise is little square pieces. Para pag kinain siya, hindi dumidikit sa ipin natin. And it's cooked in such a way where lahat ng chorizo, pag na-infuse siya sa oil, lalabas yung oil. Parang nire-render din natin. So for every pound of pasta, we can use like 1/3 of a cup of chorizo. We crush the garlic, take out the skin, around 4 to 5 pieces. You don't have to slice as fast. There's a technique to slicing na hindi nahiwa yung kamay natin. It's called the claw technique. So kailangan ganyan siya. I think our pasta is done. Hanguin natin siya just before it gets al dente. Kasi lutuin pa natin siya dun sa pan with the sauce. So in a deep frying pan, we put our olive oil. Stove should be on medium heat. We do our parsley, take out the stalks, and then we cut it. You should remember to keep your herbs dry kasi mahirap yung nagluluto ng basa yung mga herbs natin. And now that our pan and our oil is hot, I'm ready to cook the sauce. Start with the chorizo. We'll let the oil of the chorizo infuse with the olive oil. Nakita mo magiging red siya. And then our garlic. Maybe half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Enough to coat all of our noodles. And now we put our noodles. This is basically done. We use the zest of the lemon to flavor and to give it that lemony taste. Don't be afraid to put more herbs. It's always good to have that contrast in texture kasi yung mga herbs, it really gives that earthiness. So, I'm going to taste the pasta once it's off the heat. It needs that spice. So, this is actually optional. Pero, kung feeling nyo, kulang yung lasa ng chorizo nyo and you want that richness, gusto nyo pa yung pimento flavor, you can add some paprika. There. Maybe 1/4 teaspoon. And then, our Parmesan Reggiano or Parmesan cheese. See, ang ganda na nagagawa nung microplane kasi very fine shredding yung nabibigay niya dun sa Parmesan cheese. So we're ready to plate our chorizo and garlic pasta. All we do is we look for a big bowl and use tongs to carefully place it layer by layer. When it comes to plating, what you really want to do is to create height. One nice piece on top. Parmesan. Splash it naman. So there you have it, my very special chorizo and garlic linguine pasta. Thank you guys for joining me. This is Chef Liza, giving you fun and fresh ideas on how to become your very own kitchen queen. Very special on me kasi June is my birthday month.